In a quiet forest, there lived a bright red mushroom named Redcap. Redcap was a poison mushroom, and everyone stayed far away from him. Redcap felt sad. "I don't want to be poisonous," he said. "I want friends." One day, a little squirrel named Tina saw Redcap crying. "Why are you so sad?" she asked. "I'm poisonous," Redcap whispered. "No one comes near me." Tina thought for a moment. "Maybe you can help the forest," she said. "Then everyone will see you are good inside." That night, a big storm came. The wind blew hard, and a baby bird fell from its nest. Redcap saw the crying baby bird. He could not touch it, but he called loudly, "Tina, help!" Tina rushed over and carried the baby bird back to its nest. The day after, the animals heard what Redcap did. "He saved a baby bird," they said. "Maybe he is not scary at all." The owl said, "Redcap cannot change what he is made of, but he has a kind heart. That is what matters." Slowly, the animals came closer. They talked to Redcap, played near him, and told stories. Redcap smiled for the first time in a long while. Redcap still was a poison mushroom, but now he had friends. He learned that being different did not mean being alone. Moral of the story: even if you are different, you can still be kind, and kindness always brings friends.